So if your student is heading into senior year, are you really taking advantage of everything that you can in order to maximize your opportunities, or are you potentially going to waste it? This is one of the biggest mistakes that families will make, is not considering senior year, the summer opportunities leading into applications and how you could best maximize all of that. So one of the things that we think about positioning is finalizing your college list. So really, you are going to be working on everything applications during the summer and into fall of senior year. So if you don't have that list finalized yet, be strategic about it. Be very clear about which ones are your top schools and why. What can you do to best position yourself in getting a hold of those schools or finding out more in order to demonstrate interest? All very important factors. And then starting your essays early. People like to procrastinate heavily on essays. Your students usually are not a great big fan of having to write about themselves. So we like to get kids started with that in June, and that is still junior year, okay? And the intention is try to get that sucker done before you go back to school in the fall. That is going to free up a lot of time and a lot of stress. So then when they go back to senior year, they don't have to worry about writing their college application essay. And then we talk about activities within, like I was just having a conversation with a student who is wrapping up junior year. And I was like, well, what are the things that you could get interested in that are really going to engage you around the world of political science? Is it going to be a passion project? Are you going to find a summer program? Is there something like a campaign that's going on that you could get engaged with? Find an activity, take it deeper. If it's around your area of interest or you're exploring of that interest, all the better. So these are great ways to start to add more into that depth of your application as you lead into that time. So make sure that you are capitalizing on everything that you can do leading into that summer of senior year. And if you want a step-by-step on how to support your student in this process, I will link to it below, but you can feel free to download our college visit guide. It's a great opportunity, especially if you're still getting on campuses and comparing what those look like. Or you can join our tribe program where you're gonna get some support along the way for this entire process. So make sure to follow, and I will see you guys soon.